So we are going to, after the CME.
Get your daughter to speak.
Okay, let me finish first. Okay, she's going. After the CME at 11 o'clock, we'll go to eat and whatever you want to eat in that Indian chat house. Very nice food, all kinds of food. You get it, except no meat. Yeah, except all vegetarians from south to north to east and west, India. All these things. Then from there we'll go. It takes about an hour to go to Fort Worth Bureau of Printing Money. That's the largest in the country. The largest. The last time the $100,000 bill was printed was when I was born. That year. So there is no 100,000. The maximum is $100. Each dollar engraving takes 4 years, not 4 hours. To start with the beginning and all the federal bureaucracy, it has to go through all those things. We are going to hear a lot more about that. By the time you go there, there's a parking lot. Then you have to go in security check like aeroplane TSA. Then 30 minutes, every 30 minutes there's a 1.5 hour tour. I think we enjoyed it. All the things we are going to show you in the next 4 days, we have been there in the last 3 months. That's the important. We have selected the best of the best for all of you the next 4 days. At this point, anybody else volunteer to talk about anything?
Get your daughter to
Okay, she doesn't want to talk. Anyway, that's tomorrow's program, 7:30 to 8. Bring your breakfast here. You can come here. 8 o'clock will start because all the guest speakers are on time. They are not, Please respect the guest speakers. Arrange as many as possible. Not only the medical, non-medical subjects. Mr. McCoy is volunteered. Is kind enough to come tomorrow morning. What time are you coming?
I'll be here about 8:15.
8:15?
Yeah.
Okay, 8:30 he's going to be sharp. He's going back to work. So please be on time, on time, on time. So 1 o'clock, by 12 o'clock we'll leave to the Bombay, Indian restaurant here. Then from there we'll go straight to the Bureau of Printing. Then if there is a time permit, we'll go pass around Arlington, show you Cowboy Stadium. They're not going inside. Just to, how big it is? It's a majestic building. You have to be inside, but you cannot go because football is going on now and then. So all that, other details, after 8 o'clock we'll give you more details. Mr. Krishna is about to go, wanted to go at 8 o'clock. We got 5 more minutes, Mr. Krishna?
That's fine.
Yeah, okay. I'll take 5 more minutes. Anyway, I don't want to go in free anyway. So the next Thursday, that's tomorrow Thursday. Friday, once again the meeting. Then we'll go to Changes Khan Exhibition Museum about 2 miles from here. So very fascinating. It's only here for 6 weeks, and they are selling the tickets for the last 1.5 years. Every day it's full. We got this one, but Friday. After Friday, we'll go to Medieval Times in Dallas. We have to leave at 5 o'clock here. I bought the ticket today because
I already bought it myself.
well, if you bought it, then we just because nobody told us. Repeatedly we asked who is going to come, who is going to what. So repeatedly we asked. Nobody responded our emails. So we have to. I don't know what else we can do. We'll discuss with other time, not here. So the Saturday, once again after 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, we'll eat at lunch some other place outside, and there is no cafeteria in this hotel. Then we'll go to, where are we going?
Mayuri.
Mayuri. Afternoon is
Mayuri.
Saturday Mayuri, yeah, lunch. Then after that, we'll go to rodeo horse show in Fort Worth. That's about 30 miles from here, and it takes 1.5 hours to go there because of the traffic. And it starts at, we have to be there at 7 o'clock because to get the good seats. It's open seat system, so we did not buy the ticket because the ticket was costly going through the ticket master. So it's going to be cheaper if you go there, $12.50 for seniors and $15 for youngsters. So we tried to we went there yesterday, Saturday, to buy the ticket. They don't sell in advance. Either you have to go through the commission ticketing agents and you have to buy. It's going to cost more if you buy through that commission. So the seats are available, no problem. It's not overbooked any day. At this point,
One
we are
more
going to
thing.
eat.
You haven't given in detail. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, we have got a meeting.
You got a
And then
CME
the
or CEO.
afternoon is just run around to look at
No,
the
no.
cowboy.
Not run around. We said we are going to the Bureau of Printing.
Okay.
Right.
Printing, what about night?
Right, I'll give you a little detail tomorrow morning.
You are going
Yes.
to detail.
Yeah.
No, what?
One question. These various visits you have planned, what is the arrangement for transportation?
That's what is Brian.
We will have.
Yeah, we got the van.
Van, good.
You know what I thought, if tomorrow evening is free, you can come to our house in Richardson. We'll say, Kaun Tera Baap on the movie. Huh? We'll put that movie on the wall, you can see.
Buddha
and
Hoga
hear.
Tera Baap.
He has-
Buddha
he
Hoga
has got
Tera
a
Baap.
Amtul Mahal. Taj Mahal is nothing.
You can come there, sit down, we'll play. Brian knows the place. You don't have to worry about it.
It's up to you. He is inviting. I don't obstruct. So he will go ahead, granted. We'll come there.
Granted.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Krishna.
The
Then you
uniqueness.
take- Huh?
Wait a bit, let me
Yeah,
say.
go ahead. You take care of it.
The
You are this
uniqueness.
second man guy.
No. The reason is I can't help. When you talk, I get blessed with shower of words.
Well, you don't know me. I never. I can talk CMA all the next 4 hours, 4 days
That's the
without
beauty about
break.
it. No, tomorrow evening, after you go to the monetary, whatever that is, be careful. You'll get so much avaricious looking at all those dollars. You might have to do something about it. But I think they do sell some new dollars, a roll of dollars.
No, they don't.
They don't sell any
Kites.
kites there.
No kites.
They,
No, they don't.
They don't-
they
you
used
can
to,
buy in the
because it came out.
what do you call it?
Un momento, senor.
Okay.
Un momento. They advertised at one time in the paper. What I'm saying is, it is possible, Brian might be able to talk to them. Talk in a Texan language, Brian. No
Yeah.
Kannada. Right? Okay, good man. All of you are welcome tomorrow evening. Buddha Hoga Tera Baap means for yourself, Mr.
You're also
McCoy.
welcome.
Buddha Hoga Tera Baap means this, one of the famous actor acts in that, where he is about 65. So the person's asked him to come and act in that picture to suggest that he is old. So he said, Buddha Hoga means the old fellow is your father, not me. That's simple. So it's a very humorous movie. I think you'll enjoy.
What time are you planning?
What time?
7 o'clock.
It is home. Tomorrow I'll be, as I told you.
Give
in
us a
the
time frame.
practice. Come at about 7.
7.
Which one? You tell them. What time?
7.
What, no matinee?
You will be going towards the money part of it.
If you have read my emails, I've
That's
given
it.
every person
Be sure to.
opportunity to take up something about, talk about something about CME or other other subjects, all of you must speak. This is commander of class 54 speaking. Thank you very much. That ends. Then let's eat.